Overlooking a gorgeous rainforest-like setting, this generously proportioned residence offers the ultimate indoor-outdoor lifestyle for the whole family. Set on an impressive 1,389 square metre block, the home offers an exceptionally versatile floor plan and an array of alfresco entertaining spaces. The upper level features multiple living spaces, including a light-filled formal lounge room and a spacious casual living area which connects to the rear deck. The living areas are split by a dining space and the home's large kitchen featuring granite benchtops and standalone gas oven. Flowing out to a full-length timber deck, you can enjoy peaceful views over the rainforest canopy beyond or watch the family enjoy the swimming pool below. Also on the upper level are 2 generous bedrooms, including the main with ensuite. The lower level offers the flexibility to create your own ideal space with multiple living areas and accommodation available. To the rear, the property features a large in-ground swimming pool soaking up plenty of sunlight, while the large backyard is framed by tropical gardens and natural rainforest. Distinguished by its enchanting palm-lined setting and heritage-style facade, this must-see property lies just 6 minutes from Alstonville. For more information, please contact Team Johnston.